What's in my diaper bag as a mom of 6 with 4 kids, 5 and under? Guys, you don't need much. I'm telling you don't need much. I have done the 2 under 2, the 3 under 3 since I basically started having kids. I've been doing this for the last decade and I'm learning less is best. What's up? My name is Chrissy Horton. I like to talk about all things motherhood, postpartum, pregnancy, and just share my experience as a mom of 6 in hopes that it helps you. So if that's your jam, you like that honest, vulnerable, real talk from one mom to another, like and subscribe and let's get into it. Definitely find a good diaper bag that fits a lot. This is the diaper bag I currently use. What is it called? A Luli, I can't even pronounce it. A Luli Baby. Luli Baby. This is a nice one. It's a little expensive. I love it. I think it's absolutely beautiful. This was kind of like a treat yourself bag for me because I'm the one carrying it and I think it's just absolutely stunning. And I love the design, the functionality. It has lasted me. It has lasted me. I've had this one for so long and it has seen so much. And look how good it looks. Look at it.
I'm looking.
It's so beautiful. It's just, I love it. If it is a little bit out of your price range, if you like that style, this one is half the price. It's still just as beautiful, just as functional. I do love it. This one too. It's just a different color. But you know what? You do not have to get a fancy diaper bag. Do not let anyone make you think you have to get a fancy diaper bag. You can use an old JanSport backpack, okay?
Sisters are so 2010.
You really don't need to do anything fancy. I am telling you. Now, if you are bottle feeding, you might want to get a diaper bag that accommodates the bottles a little bit better. But like me, I've exclusively breastfed and I didn't have a need for that. So I always use the bottle feature for my kids' water bottles who are younger, but like the toddlers, I would use it for the kids' water bottles. That was nice. I like these bags because they can be a backpack or they can be a crossbody. They come with all these different attachments for the straps. And this one does too. See, there's attachments for this. When you buy an actual backpack diaper bag, the straps are cushioned, so they do offer a little bit more support. So it just depends on what you're looking for. Like I'm someone who it's on and off. Like if I'm gonna take the kids to the zoo or something, it's in the stroller. Like I'm not wearing it the whole time. So it just depends on your lifestyle. Okay, so let's get into it. So any kid who's out of diapers, I am using this to hold their water bottles, their snacks. My older boys, they're in charge of that. Like they're in charge of their own stuff. They're 9 and 8. Like they're in charge of their water bottles.
Growth.
But for my younger ones, I make sure I have a big one so I can fit all the water bottles and snacks. So let's see what's in here. It's not very organized, but wipes, obviously. And then I have 2 kids in diapers right now. A lot of these diaper bags, there's tons of compartments. In this one, there's 2 compartments for diapers. So I do whatever sizes are in. So my toddler's diapers and then my baby's diapers in each compartment. I do keep these writing tablets in my diaper bag at all time. First, I get like a doctor's appointment or something. This is great. It has actually really harnessed their love of drawing because they play with it so much. And then it just... How cool is that?
Very cool.
So it's mess free and I can just whip it out anytime I need something to distract them. I keep at least 6 of these in my bag, not gonna lie. I keep at least 6 of them. I have them in this whole bag right here because I just have so many kids and they each want their own. I got these on sale for 2 for $7. So why not get a bunch? Most diaper bags come with a portable changing pad. So you have that. I like to pack a first aid kit for all my babies. So this is a pre-assembled first aid kit. I didn't make it. You can buy this pre-assembled first aid kits. Oh, these are great. These are actually doggy poop bags, but I use them for diapers. They have a clip here so you can attach it to your stroller. You can attach it to the bag on the strap if you want. I just throw mine inside, but it comes with these little baggies and I think it's great for when you have a poopy diaper. Okay, I have a breastfeeding cover in here. I am not one to tell women to cover up to breastfeed. It is very natural. We can get into that a whole another day. I do not want to debate that one right now. Okay. But if you are someone who would prefer a cover, or if your babies are like mine who are just so extremely distracted and you need to like cover them up so they can focus, so they're not popping off, exposing every 5 seconds, I really enjoy this cover. It goes over your whole back. So there's times where if I'm wearing something that's not breastfeeding friendly, I can just kind of like strip down in this thing and just feed them. And the hole is so big, like I can look at them and I can just easily get in there and adjust them. It's very breathable and light. So I really recommend this one. I think I got this one for under $10 too. And then I just keep random snacks.
Very important stuff.
I just keep little random snacks. That's totally going to depend on what your toddlers like and stuff. But I do keep some snacks for them. Now, if you have a baby who's not eating solids, you're not going to need the snacks and stuff. I don't have it in here and I should, but a change of outfit for a baby in case there is a blowout. The thing with that is you need to remember as they're growing. So if you have a 0 to 3 months and now they're 6 months, get in your diaper bag and change that one out. Some people will recommend mom bring a shirt for you in case they spit up all over you, but I guess it's good advice. I've never adhered to that. I just kind of dealt with the spit up. Speaking of spit up though, make sure you pack My baby's not in that stage right now, so I don't have it in this diaper bag, but burp cloths, definitely bring burp cloths. Pack those in your diaper bag. And don't worry, I'm gonna write the full list out in the caption for you so you don't have to remember everything. And then I also like to pack diaper rash cream just in case sometimes it's acting up, and I get a spray one. So you can just spray it on their hiney and you don't have to get your fingers all dirty. Then I think you should have something for mom. So this I keep packed at all times. And this is, I can transfer it to diaper bag, to purse or whatever. So I don't have to keep repacking it. And this is stuff that I just like to have in my bag, like hand sanitizer. I have like a little mini brush, tampons. I have mints, chapstick, hand lotion. I have travel size everything. And I just keep it in this bag. Oh, and then I have some floss in here too. I keep it all in a little bag. So if I'm in the diaper bag, just drop it in. If I'm going to go out to dinner, I can just drop it in that purse, so that way I don't have to keep packing this every time, and it's just mom's little essentials. I also have this that you could keep in your diaper bag, but this could kind of replace your diaper bag if it's just more of a short trip. So this is a changing pad, but it comes like, so this is the changing pad. That's how I get it. So this is changing pad. It's got a little pillow right here, so it's cushioned. So you can, and it's long. I love how long that is. So it takes up the whole changing pad. But right here, you have compartments. So you can hold, but your diapers in this compartment, you can put where the wipes go. You can put your wipes in this compartment, and you just have everything ready to go right here. So you could just add the handle, you could just take this thing out. And then you can put your wipes here. And there's a pocket here. So then you can just open them up in here. So this is like a little portable changing station. But there's also some compartments, like there's a zipper compartment right here that you could put your keys and wallet in. And I've used this before when we have short trips, and I just bring this whole thing out. I still have the pad, and I have everything I need for those shorter trips. Contrary to popular belief, you do not need to pack up your entire nursery to go out with the baby. You really only need a few things to get you through. In fact, you may not even need to bring a diaper bag. I actually did a diaper changing station in my car, and I have everything in there. So there's times where I don't even bring the bag, and I just go to the car when I need something. And this is just a little bonus. It's definitely not necessary, but my kids are messy. Messy? Messy. And especially when my baby starts eating solids and it gets all over her onesies, this gets the stain out like immediately. You spray it and then you throw it in the wash and does anything. But I've seen stains disappear right in front of my eyes just by spraying this. So I like to keep one of these in my diaper bag as well. Well, this is all I pack. Maybe I missed something really important. So drop it in the comments. Let's help any new moms out who are watching this video. Let me know what you want me to talk about next, and I'm happy to do so. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.